Here I have NUBIA Red Magic 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to take a live photo or motion photo or dynamic image on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this arrow here, and then tap on this icon here to enable this mode. So, like with it, you can take pictures like this one. Okay, so now let's check them out. So what are these pictures are about? So when you open them in gallery, they just like normal still pictures, but if you hold your finger on them, they start moving and also playing sound just like a normal video. So yeah, that's the way it works. Like they move for about 2-3 seconds, but yeah, like it's just a normal photo, but if you hold the finger on it, it starts moving. Something like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.